Hello, I welcome you to this mathematics class. In this class, we'll be talking about the ninth question. This question states that if m varies directly as n and inversely as the root of p, given that m is equal to 3, n is equal to 5, and p is equal to 25, find the value of p when m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 6. Let's write out this question. This is proportionality. They say m varies directly as what? N. And then that same m varies inversely as what? Root of p. Now we combine this proportionality into one, right? So this will be, since this is m and this is m, just write one of the m is proportional to n. That's n times 1, which is n, divided by the root of p, right? Now, if we introduce constant in this relationship, now this will be equal to, this implies that m is equal to kn over root of p, right? Implies that m is equal to kn over root of p, where k is the constant of this proportionality. For us to find the constant in this very question, we need to represent this with their value as stated in the question. So m is equal to 3, right? So we write 3 equal to k, right? N is what? 5. So this is 5k over the root of p. P is what? P is 25. So root of 25. This implies, let's just use cross multiplication and then solve everything at the same time. 5 multiplied by this 1, 5k multiplied by this 1 will give me 5k, right? Equal to, then this multiplied by this, that's 3 times the root of 25 is what? Root of 25 is 5. So we write 5. So this 5k is equal to 3 times 5 is 15. So we divide both sides by the equation of the unknown, which is 5. Then 5k divided by 5 will give us only k, which is equal to 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the constant in this very question is equal to 3. And the next thing they say, you should find the value of p when m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 6. Now this 3, we impute it into this place. Since we are told to find p when m is equal to 2 and then n is equal to 6, right? M is equal to what? 2. So m is equal to 2. Put 2 equals to k is what? Is 3. 3 times what? N is what? 6. 6, the root of p. We're not given p, so we are told to find the value of p. This times 6 is what? 18. So write 18 over root of p. Now this is 2 equal to 18 over root of p. So when we use cross multiplication method, this p will multiply this 2, right? So we have 2 times the root of p is equal to 1 multiplied by 18 is 18. This implies that we divide both sides by 2, because this 2, we want to eliminate this 2 that is in the left hand side. Divide both sides by 2, what you are left with is root of p equal to 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now, since this is square root of, this is root of p, right, equal to 9. Now we're told to find p, not the root of p. So what I want to do, you take the square of both sides, because the square cancels the square root, leaving only p. So you take the square of both sides. So when you take the square of both sides, square root of p squared, or root of p raised to power 2, it will give you p equal to, then 9 squared, that's 9 times 9, to give us 81. Therefore, p is equal to 81, as simple as that. So you can see that this question is actually very simple to find, right? So if you want more of this kind of classes, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share. so that others can be able to see this question and also understand better how to solve variation. Thank you for this.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.